Então eu vou agora, a gente vai continuar o nosso programa de hoje com a Multicam Systems, falando sobre sistemas de vídeo para rádio, com a Jennifer Bingadassalon. Eu espero que tenha falado agora melhor o nome da Jennifer. Eu vou retirar aqui o meu compartilhamento. Ok, Jennifer, você pode compartilhar a sua tela agora. Seja muito bem-vinda. Obrigado.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining the show. Firstly, I'd like to thank Mario and Marco for inviting us to participate to this event. And I will now share my screen and present you a bit more about the Multicam solution. So basically, what we are doing is the Multicam system will be an all-in-one live production systems. And we have a multiple diverse solution for different markets. So we produce systems for broadcast, conference, medical, and education. And I will more specifically talk today about the radio solution for full automated radio production. So here we will have the radio solution. So our solution is based on an automated software thanks to the audio console and the automation software and PTZ cameras. So what is great here is that we will use PTZ cameras, and in time of pandemics like we are living all at the moment, the good thing is that those cameras don't need operator and that you will be able to use it directly remotely. So with Multicam, we made the remote production way more easy. So our solution will have auto framing and will be able to have graphics also and automated titling with no layout limitation. Our solution also is based and integrate with most of the major console and automation software, as you can see, but I will go more into details. So how the system works, it's the Multicam solution is connected to the audio console that will receive the information on who's host and who is speaking at which time. And with this information, the camera will be able to be going from one shot to another shot in terms of who's speaking. So as I told you, we are integrated with most of the major console, and we will be able to have graphics and camera shot switching thanks to the integration with those consoles and all that we're receiving. So that's how the system is presenting. You will see that our solution is automated here with the host speaking in the microphone 4, so it's in red, and you have the automatic shot that's being played directly on the live output. Then the step 2 will be to add the playout software to receive even more information, to better the production, and to add even more graphics fully automatically with the Multicam solution. So here we are integrated with most of the playouts, and we will receive XML files on all the data of what the playout can send us. So if we receive information regarding the speaker, the name of the song that's playing on the radio, the title of the song, but also the album cover, the video clips, if we have all of those information, we'll be able to display them to the Multicam. So here is our setting page. We will just have the source of the live program. So here will be Pulsar Live Pro. That's really famous in Brazil and well known. So once we integrate with them, in the Multicam, we have the Multicam radio program receiver that will receive in real time all the data that Pulsar, for example, here will send us. So we will receive here the commercial break, the name of the song, and with those information, we receive the data. And on the right side, you will see that we have specific scenes that will go with it. So for the music track, we want the video clip and the logo on the radio. That's what you have on the right part. So for the graphics, as I told you, we don't have any layout limitation. So we can have the titler with the name of the song, a composer. So if you want to have the video clip playing, but also have a banner with any type of information, advertisement, you will be able to have it. And it will be displayed like this. So as you can see on the live output, we have the video clip. And on the bottom left, we can see still the 3 cameras on the radio station during the video clip is being played on the radio. Same here and here. And you can see that the scene is activated. In red is the music playing. That's Higher Love, so the video clip is on the live output. And you can see then that we can stream directly from the multicam solution. Basically, it's in the setting. We can configure up to 3 live streams at the same time. So you will be able to have an LTMP stream for your Facebook, for your YouTube and website account of the radio. You will be able to live stream up on the 3 platforms or one of the others if you want. We have 2 types of settings here. We will be able to have like the easy setup for non-technical person, where you will just have to switch the resolution. If you want to go 1080p or 720, it will be possible. And if you are more advanced in the technical part, you will be able to select your video codec, the bitrate, the keyframe, also directly here. Then when you return to the multicam, as you can see in purple, the streaming is activated, and you can stream on, like I showed you before, on 3 profiles, YouTube, Facebook, or your website, or the 3 at the time. And here we will be able directly from the solution to record and publish the videos. So for the recording, we will have the full recording of the total program, and you will be able to have the settings set out button that will allow you to have small parts of the video recording in addition. And you will have small marker that will allow you to go to the editing mode. That's not mandatory here, but you will be able to create best of the best moment of the live program using the settings set out to create the best of. And then we will have the publishing workflow that will be automated and that you will be able to publish directly at the end of your program in any platform. So your Facebook, YouTube, website, or the 3 at the time. So here you will record, first part, then the editing. So as you can see here, I have my best of with my 3 best moments of the show, but I can add more or have less. And then the publishing. So that will be the VOD, YouTube, Facebook, but you can also decide to send the video to an external server or directly to have just a copy of it. And when you launch the video, you will be able to publish it on the Facebook page. That's one of our customers in Chile. Here, RFM on their YouTube page in Portugal. So for YouTube, you will be able to publish your video directly on the page or as a draft and decide to go later on your YouTube account to add a description. That will be possible also. But you can also add the description directly on our solution. Then here, the website of one of our customers as well, where they are publishing their videos. And to finish here, I have the Airbridge solution. That's our new solution that we wanted to present at the NAB show, but it was canceled. But luckily now I can present it at the Web NAB. And that's Airbridge solution that will give you the opportunity to bring guests to the live show, and you will be able to have up to 4 guests at the same time on your live show. So the guests won't have to install any application. They will just receive a link from you. And if they want to participate to the live show, they will just have to click on the link and they will go to the queue. And offline, you will be able to call them and talk to them before sending them and adding them to the show for them to speak with the guest or the host. So that will be directly for remote production and video calls on the multicam directly. So basically that will be the solutions. And one thing I want to add is that all the solutions I showed for the editing, recording, streaming, and the multicam radio automated are all included in the same solution. So once you bought the solution, all of those is included in it, and it's a 1 lifetime license. So basically, why multicam radio is the most popular product of us is basically it's user-friendly. And you don't need to be someone really technical to understand the solution. basically I'm from the commercial and also the communication part, but I don't have any problem to launch a live streaming and to launch a program. So anyone can do it. So if you're in a radio station and, for example, your technical guy is not there, you will be able to start the recording and have your own show without having to cancel anything. Then it is easy to customize and to adjust. The system can be fully automated, as I told you. You can extend your audience because now you are adding the videos into your radio station, and you are able to go up in Facebook, YouTube, and also bring guests. So that will expand your audience, and you will be able to extend your programming, as you don't need anyone to run the show and to run the presentation. You don't need an operator. Anyone can start the show. So you will be able to have longer night programs, and you will be able to, I will say, add even more to your brand and generate also revenue from the multicam. We have customers now that are able, with the radio station, to have video advertisements, because now with the commercial, we are able to add videos with the multicam, so they see the investment and see the return from it. And last thing that multicam is providing nonstop is constant upgrades and development on the solutions. So as you can see, we just launched Airbridge, but in demand of the project and all the customer wants to do, and how we see the trend is going and the needs of the customer for radio markets, we keep evolving and brainstorming about how we can make the system better. So once you build the system, it's not a one thing, you will have upgrades, and that's a solution that's looking forward in the future, and that's not a solution for now, but more for the future, and even more in those times of pandemic, with the remote production that's going even where the demand is going even larger. The multicam system really fits those needs, and that's an easy solution ready to produce. So that's it. Our solution is installed in every part of the world. I'm in charge of Latin America, but we are selling in the US. We have an office there. Basically in Europe, as our head office is in Paris, but also in Asia, in the Emirates. So if you want to have more information regarding our solutions, don't hesitate to contact me. My email address is here, my phone number. I will be glad to talk to you about your project and also make you a deeper demo if you want to have any more information regarding the solution. So yeah, basically that will be it for me, Marco. And thanks everyone to come to this event, and I hope everyone is remaining safe and healthy during those terms. And yeah, thanks for joining.
Obrigado, Jennifer, pela apresentação. Muito bacana.